Children, in the previous class we have learned multiplication tables and simple multiplication sums. Today we are going to learn standard algorithm and properties of multiplication. Multiply by 0. The product of 0 and any number is 0. The product of 0 and any number is 0. 0 into 5 equal to 0. 54 into 0 equal to 0. And 100 into 0 equal to 0. Multiply by 1. The product of 1 and any number is the number itself. The product of 1 and any number is the number itself. Examples: 1 into 7 equal to 7. 15 into 1 equal to 15. 1 into 88 equal to 88. Children, multiplication of 10, 100,000. Multiplication of 10, 100,000. When a number is multiplied by 10, 100,000, it is enough to write after the number 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros respectively. Children, once again listen. When a number is multiplied by 10, 100,000, it is enough to write after the number 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros respectively. Example: 7 into 10, 7 tens are, we know very well, 70. So first we can write 7, then join 1 0. First we can write 7, then join 1 0. 25 into 100. First we can write the 25, then join, how many zeros are back? 2. So we can join 2 zeros. So 25 into 100, 2500. 37 into 1000. First we can write 37 and join 3 zeros. And join 3 zeros. So 37 into 1000, 37 thousands. So 7 into 10, 70. 25 into 100, 2500. 37 into 1000, 37,000. Now we can fill in the boxes using multiplication properties. First, 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80, we know. First we can write 8 and join 1 0. Next, 16 into 100. What is the rules? First write the number, then join 2 zeros. First write the number, then join 2 zeros. 45 into 1000. Write the number 45, then join 3 zeros. Then join 3 zeros. Next, 73 into 1. Any number into 1 is same number. So 73 into 1, 73. Any number into 0, 0. Any number into 0, 0. Next, 1000 into 273 is, first write the number, then join 3 zeros. First write the number and join 3 zeros. 0 into any number, 0.
Multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Tell me what all you will do in a day with time.
I will wake up at morning 6 o'clock, brush my teeth, take bath and then study. And at 8 o'clock, I will have breakfast. And at 9 o'clock, go to school. And in school, at 12 o'clock, I have lunch. At 4 o'clock, return home. And play with my friends at 5 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, I will get ready to study. At 8 o'clock, have my dinner. And at 9 o'clock, I will go to bed.
Okay, my son, tell me how many hours are in a day?
24 hours make a day.
How many hours are there for 2 days?
24 plus 24 is equal to 48 hours, Mom.
tell me how many hours are there in 31 days?
Sorry, Mom, I don't know.
I will teach you. First, know the place value for the digit 31. 1 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. And for 24, 4 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Now, multiply 31 and 24. First, multiply the ones place 4 with ones place of digit 31, that is 1, then multiply 4 with 3. Now the tens place 2 is multiplied with 1 and then 2 is multiplied with 3. Now 31 days into 24 hours. Multiply 4 with 1. We get 4. We write ones place, then multiply 4 and 3. We get 12. Write 2 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now multiply 2 with 1. We get 2. Write it in tens place and multiply 2 with 3. We get 6. Write it in hundreds place. Add 124 and 62. We get 744 hours. So, for 31 days, there are 744 hours. Multiply 3-digit number by single-digit number. Multiply 744 by 7. The place value of 4 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 7 is in hundreds place. The number 7 is in ones place. Now multiply 7 with 4 in ones place. And now multiply 7 with 4 in tens place. And then 7 with 7 in hundreds place. First multiply 7 into 4. We get 28. Write 8 in ones place and carry over 2 in tens place. Now multiply 7 and 4. We get 28. Add 28 with 2. We get 30. Write 0 in tens place and carry over 3 to hundreds place. Multiply 7 and 7. We get 49. Add 49 with 3. We get 52. Write 2 in hundreds place and 5 in thousands place. So, when we multiply 744 with 7, we get 5208.
Now we can learn standard algorithm. Multiply the numbers by using standard algorithm. Look at here, there is given 632 into 3. 632 into 3. So first we can write ones, tens, hundreds. We have to write extra one place value 1000. We have to write extra one place value 1000. After that, leave one finger gap. After that, we have to write 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place. Then in the down, put into symbol and write 3. Down, put into symbol and write 3. Draw the line. Then start to multiply ones. First we have to multiply ones. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s twos are 6. Next we have to multiply tens. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Then we have to multiply next hundreds. 3 6 are 80. 8 write in hundreds place. 1 write in thousands place. 1 write in thousands place. Answer 632. 632 into 3 equal to 1896. 1896. First we have to write 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place into 3. First we have to multiply the ones. 3 twos are 6. Next tens, 3 threes are 9. Next hundreds, 3 6 are 18. So 18. So answer 632 into 3 is 1896. Next question 124 into 6. First what we have to write? We have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that leave one finger gap. 4 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place into 6. Into 6. First we have to start from ones place onwards. So first we have to multiply 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 4 we have to write in ones place down. We have to write the 2 in carryover. In tens place. In tens place. After that 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. So 6 twos are 12. Then want to add carryover plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 14. So 4 where you have to write? Tens place down. 4 you have to write in tens place down. 1 will go carry over in hundreds place. 1 will go to carry over in hundreds place. After that 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Answer 744. 124 into 6 equal to 744. 124 into 6 equal to 744. Next question 206 into 8. 206 into 8. First we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that we have to leave one finger gap. 6 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place into 8. Into 8. Before doing sum, we can recollect the 8th table. Can you repeat once again? 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. So, while multiplying, first what we have to do? We have to start from ones place onwards. So 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 we have to write in ones place down. 8 we have to write in ones place down. 4 carry over in tens place. 4 carry over in tens place. Next we have to multiply tens place. 8 zeros are 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. So 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 4. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. So 6 we have to write in hundreds place. 1 we have to write in thousands place. So answer 206 into 8 equal to 1648. Now we can multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. 2-digit number by 2-digit number. First, we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that, leave 2 fingers gap. Leave 2 fingers gap to write the carryover. Next, first we can write multiplicand 48. 8 in ones place, 4 in tens place, into multiplier. 6 in ones place, 3 in tens place. Then draw the line. Step 1. First step 1. First multiply the ones. First multiply the 48 into 6. 48 into 6. So 6 eights are how much? 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 8 we can write 8 down. Carry over 4. Carry over 4. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24 plus 4. So 28. So 28. After that, we can take and write ones place 8, 8, 2. Step 2. Step 2, 48 into 30, tens. Here 6 ones we are multiplying. Next 30, 30. First, we can multiply 3 table. 3 eights are 24, 4. Carry over 2. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. And 0 right at the back. 48 into 30 is 1440. So we can write 0, 4, 4, 1. Draw the line. Step 3. Add step 1 and step 2. 288 plus 1440. 8, 12, carry over 1, 7, 1. Step 1, step 2, step 3. 8, 2, 7, 1. Answer 1728. First step 1, 48 into 6. Step 2, 48 into 30. Step 3, add the step 1 and step 2. You will get the answer. Children, now we can multiply 72 into 29 in 2 methods. First method, 72 into 29 equal to 72 into 20 plus 9. 72 into 20 plus 9. Step 1. First we can multiply 72 into 9 once. 72 into 9 once. That is equal to 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Carry over 1. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. Step 2. Next, 72 into 20 ones. 72 into 20 ones. So first we can multiply 2 table. 2 twos are 4. 7 twos are 14. 2 twos are 4. 7 twos are 14. Then join the 0. So 1441. Step 3. Step 3, add step 1 and step 2. Add step 1 and step 2. 648 plus 1440. So 8, 8, 0, carry over 1, 2. So answer 72 into 29 is 2088. So step 1, first we can multiply 9 ones, then 20 ones, add step 1 and step 2, you will get 72 into 29 is 2088. Next method, first we can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then leave 2 fingers gap to write the carryover. Leave 2 fingers gap to write the carryover. Then take and write multiplicand 72 and multiplier 29. 72 multiplicand and into multiplier 29. So first we have to multiply the ones. 9 twos are 18, carry over 1. 9 twos are 18, carry over 1. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. Add the carry over 64. After that, start to multiply the 2 ones. So leave ones place and start to multiply the tens. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Then add these two. 8, 8, 0, carry over 1, 2. So answer 72 into 29 equal to 2088. 2088. So we can do multiplication in 2 ways. Now we can multiply 93 into 42 in method 2. Look at here. First we can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that, leave 2 fingers gap to write the carryover. Leave 2 fingers gap to write the carryover. Then write 93, 3 in ones place, 9 in tens place, into 42. 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place. After that, first we can start to multiply 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Then start to multiply tens. So tens means have to put the dash in ones place. Then start to multiply tens. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Carry over 1. 4 threes are 12. Carry over 1. Then 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 36 plus 1, 37. After that, add these two ends alone. 6 to 8 plus 2, 10, 0. Carry over 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9 and 3. So answer 93 into 42 is 3906. Answer 93 into 42 equal to 3906. One box contains 25 apples. How many apples are there in 36 such boxes? 36 such boxes. First we can take and write the statements. Number of apples in one box. Number of apples in one box equal to 25. Number of apples in one box equal to 25. Number of apples in 36 boxes. Number of apples in 36 boxes equal to 25 into 36. 25 into 36. So first we have to multiply 25 into 36. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Leave 2 fingers gap. 25 into 36. First what we have to do? We have to multiply the ones. So 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 0. Carry over 3. Carry over 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. After that we have to leave space for ones. Start to multiply tens. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Carry over 1. 3 5s are 15. 5 we can write in tens place down and carry over 1. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Then after that add these two. 0, 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So answer 900 apples. Answer 900 apples are there in 36 boxes. Next question. If the cost of one chair is rupees 857. Cost of one chair is rupees 857. What will be the cost of 6 chairs? We want to find 6 chairs amount. So first we have to write cost of one chair equal to rupees 857. Rupees 857. So cost of 6 chairs equal to rupees 857 into 6. Rupees 857 into 6. First what we have to do? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then leave 1 finger gap. Then write 7 ones place, 5, 8 into 6 into 6. 6 sevens are 42. 2 we can write carry over 4. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Carry over 3. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 3, 49, 50, 51. So 51. Answer cost of 6 chairs equal to rupees 5142. Answer cost of 6 chairs equal to rupees 5142. Today we have learned multiply by 0, multiply by 1, multiply by 10, 100, 1000 and standard algorithm. Thank you children.